Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yeah, that's the. And చెప్పండి ఏం చదివి చెప్పండి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి నెక్స్ట్ ఫస్ట్
Lived here for 10,000, more than 10,000 years. So today I just all Native American tribes think of Grand Canyon as part of their homeland. So people think the Native Americans for example, some Native Americans think this Grand Canyon is their homeland. And it's amazing, the views of it. It's a phenomenal place to look. Over here, the sky, like this, the weather over here is like pretty. There's a mist over here, raining, sunny, and snowy over here.
Okay, so you'll see these towers in the back behind the dam, okay? Those are the intake towers. So that's where the water feeds into the dam, and then they bring it down to the bottom using gravity, and it cycles through those hydro generators, and that's what creates the electricity, okay? That's where they kind of convert the power and then send it through power lines.